How's it going, guys? Lockpicking Coal Miner here. I was going to go ahead and do a 100 subscriber giveaway. If anybody wants in, hashtag LP Coal Miner 100, or call your video Lockpicking Coal Miner 100 sub giveaway. I've hit 100 subs. I never thought I'd have 10. Thanks to all the good people in this community. Everybody's so nice, being so nice to me, helped me out along the way. I just can't believe I'm right at 120 some right now. I would never thought it. So it's my honor to try to do a giveaway. Hopefully y'all like it. If anybody wants in on the giveaway, all you do is pick any lock. It ain't got no time limit on it. It'll be open to all over the world, no matter where you're at. And you must have a YouTube channel and be subscribed to me. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. So here's what we're gonna have. I don't know really what to give away, so I'm gonna throw in a brand new disc detainer lock, 40 millimeter. It's a CHD top security. Works smooth. There's the key on it. We'll throw in BTOX top security. If y'all can see it where it's so shiny. It works smooth too. Pretty fun locks to pick. So, and I figured I would throw in, so these are pretty good picks. So, Master Lotto lock. Some of them's pretty tough. Brand new. I got the box to it. Pretty good bidding. I was going to throw in American lock, 1100. Brand new. I got the box to it. These are really fun. So, usually everybody likes these. Pretty tough locks. And I'll throw in 2 Sparrows Penamats. So I hope everybody likes it. But for the disc detainer locks, I know nobody's probably picking them, a lot of people, so I'll throw in 2 brand new picks. For a top tension and a bottom tension. So anybody that don't want to, they want to pick the locks but don't want to really spend the money, so you might win this and get to play with them anyway. But on these right here, sometimes you gotta file the tips down on them. If you can see that, how wide it is. See how the one I use, and I had to braze it to make sure it held on. You can solder this one or whatever you think, but they work, especially on these cheap Chinese locks. So, and I want to throw in a set of picks that I made, a little set of pocket picks. They're pretty cool. Carry them around with you. If they get broke or lost, it don't matter, so they're pretty handy. Tensioners on the back. And I might throw in some other thing. One more thing I've been working on, but you have to tell me what design you like better. Some picks I've been working on. I'll read the comments and see. I ain't got no certain way to make them. I guess I just make them the way I see them, unless you want a straight handle or something that's weird looking. Just let me know. I might see if anybody might want one. I might throw one of them in on the giveaway, or one I make similar to it. But I never thought I'd be at 100 subscribers, so I really do appreciate all the support that everybody showed me. It's been awesome the short time I've been here, since October. But I really do appreciate everybody. I just wanted everybody to know. And I'll leave the hashtag stuff in the comment or down below, descriptions, the rules. So I just want to tell everybody appreciate it. Thank y'all. Sorry guys, I forgot to say I'm gonna run it for 2 weeks. Today's the May 23rd. I'll run it till June 6th. Pick a winner on June the 7th. And it's open to anywhere in the world. I just wanted to let everybody know. Alright.